Welcome to the heart of our vast tropical plantation, where over 1,500 hectares of premium banana trees stretch toward the horizon under the first golden morning light. This massive agricultural operation follows strict global GAP standards, ensuring that every single fruit is grown with the utmost precision and care within this modern and efficient ecosystem. Notice the specialized protective bags covering each heavy bunch, a vital step to shield the growing fruit from insects and harsh weather while maintaining a perfect microclimate. Quality control begins right here in the field, where environmental protection and careful monitoring ensure that only the most resilient and healthy plants progress through our system. As the workday commences, our skilled team enters the field equipped with precision instruments to assess the maturity of each bunch before the official harvesting process begins. Timing is everything in modern agriculture, and our experts carefully check the exact thickness and length of the bananas to ensure they meet international export size requirements. Looking up at these towering plants, one can truly appreciate the scale of nature's bounty, managed through decades of agricultural expertise and highly advanced modern farming techniques. The harmony between natural growth and industrial efficiency is the hallmark of this facility, where thousands of tons of fresh produce are prepared for their journey worldwide. With a swift and precise cut, the harvest begins as our workers carefully detach the heavy bunches, ensuring no bruising occurs during this critical first step of transport. The physical labor is supported by specialized protective gear, allowing our team to handle the massive weight of the fruit while preserving the delicate skin of every individual banana. Once harvested, the bunches are immediately attached to an innovative monorail system, a sophisticated network of steel cables that spans the entire length of our massive plantation. This automated cable system is the lifeline of the farm, designed to transport the heavy loads efficiently without the need for heavy trucks that could damage the soil. Witness the spectacular sight of the banana train, a continuous line of fruit moving gracefully through the air, covering several kilometers from the deepest parts of the farm. This method reduces physical handling by 95%, drastically cutting down on transport damage and ensuring the bananas remain in pristine condition until they reach the packing house. The rhythmic sound of the pulley signifies a well-oiled machine, where engineering excellence meets traditional farming to create a seamless flow of fresh produce around the clock. Our infrastructure is designed for high-volume output, allowing us to harvest and move thousands of bunches every day without ever compromising on the safety or quality of fruit. Every detail matters, so we place protective foam layers between the bunches on the cable, preventing any friction or impact that could cause unsightly blemishes on the skin. As the fruit approaches the factory, the transition from field to facility is managed with extreme care, keeping the cold chain and speed of delivery at the forefront. The arrival at the central station marks the end of the field journey and the beginning of a rigorous cleaning and sorting process within our modern industrial hub. Automation ensures that the flow is perfectly controlled, preventing bottlenecks and ensuring that the processing staff can work at a steady, efficient pace throughout their entire shift. The protective sleeves are removed first, unveiling the high-quality green bananas that have been shielded from the elements since their earliest stages of development in the field. At peak capacity, this facility processes fruit from across the entire plantation, maintaining a synchronized rhythm that reflects our commitment to logistical excellence and high-speed food production. Final preparation of the stems ensures a clean cut for the next stage, where the large bunches will be divided into the familiar hands that consumers see in stores. Welcome to the heart of the processing plant, a sterile environment where hygiene and efficiency are the top priorities for our world-class fruit cleaning and packaging operation. Our skilled technicians perform the dehanding process, carefully separating each cluster of bananas to ensure the crown remains intact, which is essential for preserving the fruit's freshness. The bananas are gently released into massive hydraulic tanks, where they begin their first stage of cleansing to remove any residue or natural latex from the harvest. Floating effortlessly in the water, the bananas move through a continuous flow system that cleans every surface while preventing the fruit from bumping into hard industrial surfaces. An advanced oxygenation system creates tiny bubbles that act as a gentle scrubbing agent, ensuring that every hand is thoroughly cleaned without the need for harsh chemicals. Manual inspection continues even during the washing phase, as our dedicated staff ensures that every piece of fruit meets our high standards for visual purity and cleanliness. The fruit then transitions into a second purification tank, which utilizes a natural antimicrobial solution to sanitize the bananas and prepare them for long-distance international shipping across oceans. Maintaining crystal clear water quality is essential, and our filtration systems work constantly to reseal and purify the water for use throughout the entire cleaning and disinfection process. This massive scale operation ensures a steady output, processing thousands of hands every hour while maintaining a level of care that is typically only seen in smaller farms. As the bananas emerge from their bath, they are lifted by a specialized conveyor belt, marking the transition from the cleaning phase to final inspection and sorting. A final high-pressure rinse ensures that any remaining solution is washed away, leaving the fruit perfectly clean and ready for the intensive quality control checks that follow. Precision placement on the conveyor is key for the automated systems to accurately assess each cluster, ensuring that every banana is positioned for the most thorough inspection possible. Powerful air knives quickly dry the surface of the fruit, a necessary step to prevent mold growth and ensure that labels and coatings adhere perfectly to the skin. Our mechanical systems are designed for 24/7 operation, utilizing the latest in industrial automation to move products through the plant with unmatched speed and consistent reliability. Every aspect of the process is monitored by a central computer system, allowing our engineers to track efficiency and maintain the highest safety standards across the entire facility. In the quality control zone, under intense high-definition lighting, our experts conduct a 100% manual inspection to ensure every banana meets our rigorous export quality criteria. Attention to detail is paramount. Even the smallest scratch or spot can lead to a rejection, so as we only ship fruit that is visually and structurally perfect. This dedicated team is the final barrier of quality, ensuring that our brand's reputation for excellence is maintained in every shipment that leaves this modern processing plant. Any fruit that doesn't meet the strict export grade is diverted to local markets, ensuring zero waste while maintaining the premium status of our international product line. Consistency is vital for our international partners, so every cluster is weighed on high-precision electronic scales to ensure uniform packaging and accurate inventory management for retailers. Our automated sorting technology categorizes the fruit with incredible speed, grouping bananas of similar size together to create a visually appealing and professionally organized final retail package. The branding process begins as we apply our signature labels, a mark of quality that consumers around the world have come to trust for freshness and taste. For high-volume lines, advanced robotic labeling machines can process hundreds of bananas per minute, ensuring that every piece of fruit carries our brand and traceability information. Each sticker contains a unique QR code, allowing customers to trace their fruit back to the very section of the farm where it was grown and carefully harvested. The industrial rhythm of the labeling station is a testament to our capacity to handle massive global demand while maintaining individual product accountability and world-class branding standards. To extend shelf life, a natural edible coating is applied, creating a protective barrier that slows down respiration and keeps the bananas fresh for their long international voyage. This advanced biocoating is completely safe and flavorless, serving as an invisible shield that preserves the fruit's nutritional value and vibrant appearance until it reaches the consumer. With the inspection and protection phases complete, the bananas are now at their peak of preparation, ready to be securely packed for their journey across the world. The movement of the fruit is a choreographed dance of technology and nature, ensuring that every step adds value and protection to this highly perishable and precious cargo. The packing hall is the final stage of the indoor process, where our team works with speed and precision to package the fruit for international export standards. Every box is prepared with a high-quality liner and absorbent materials, creating an environment that controls moisture and prevents the fruit from sweating during refrigerated transport. Vacuum sealing is a crucial step in our preservation technology, removing excess oxygen to put the bananas into a state of dormancy, significantly extending their fresh lifespan. This anaerobic packaging method is the secret to delivering farm-fresh quality across continents, allowing the fruit to ripen naturally only after it reaches its final destination country. High-speed machinery keeps the supply of packaging materials constant, matching the rapid pace of the fruit processing line to ensure a continuous and efficient workflow throughout. Sealing the cartons is the final mechanical step in the packing house. It's organized to optimize space within shipping containers, a key factor in reducing our carbon footprint and maximizing the efficiency of every shipment we send. Final plastic wrapping secures the entire pallet, creating a single solid unit that can be easily and safely moved by forklifts without any risk of the boxes shifting. The pallet is now a finished product, fully documented and protected, ready to leave the warm tropical air for the controlled environment of our cold storage facility. Our logistics team moves with speed to get the fruit into the cold chain as quickly as possible, a vital step in maintaining the high quality we promise. Inside the cold room, temperatures are kept strictly between 13 and 14 degrees Celsius, putting the bananas into a deep sleep that halts the natural ripening process. Continuous temperature monitoring ensures that the fruit stays within its optimal range, preserving its texture and nutritional content for weeks of travel across the world's oceans. The journey continues as refrigerated containers, or reefers, arrive to transport our produce to the nearest international port for its final departure from the country of origin. Every container is inspected for cleanliness and pre-cooled before loadings, thus ensuring that the cold chain remains unbroken from the moment the fruit leaves our warehouse floor. With the door sealed, the fruit is now in a controlled atmosphere that will protect it across thousands of miles, maintaining farm-fresh quality through every time zone. A tamper-proof security seal is applied, a final guarantee of safety and integrity that ensures the contents remain untouched until they reach our international distribution partners. From the farm to the port, our logistics network operates 24/7, ensuring that our bananas are moved with the speed and efficiency required for global food security. As the ship sails toward international markets, we take pride in knowing that our advanced technology and dedication have brought the best of nature to the world. From our sustainable tropical plantations to your family table, we deliver the highest quality bananas through innovation, care, and a commitment to excellence in every single bite.